Hello there. Back with another Daily Awakening, Voice of Ego's End here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make motivation automatic. I talk about Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Hemingway stopped writing every day when he still knew what came next. He never finished at the end of a scene or a natural stopping point, but always just mid-sentence, just mid-thought, mid-momentum. Neuroscience that studied his method discovered he had accidentally solved the single biggest problem in human motivation, and it works on every brain that's ever struggled to start. Hemingway called walking away in midstream of thought his most important writing habit, and it helps avoid the Zeigarnik effect. If you've been binge watching these or following along with us, we talked about the Zeigarnik effect. That one's the fact that the human mind holds an incomplete task in active memory far better than completed ones. Well, so finished tasks get filed away, right? Unfinished ones stay open, with the brain continuing to process in the background. It allocates cognitive resources for it, even when otherwise engaged. So when you stop mid-momentum, the brain, it keeps the story running in the background. Then that's through sleeps and meals and walks. And by the time he sat down to write again, you know, his continuation wasn't waiting to be found. It was already there. He just engineered out the blank page problem with his actions. And so starting, it's the hardest part for so many because they stop at natural endpoints. A finished chapter, a resolved problem, a completed task. The brain files that as done and removes it from the active memory. So the next session starts at zero, with no momentum, no thread to follow, just the full weight of a blank start. Hemingway just kept the thread running, which keeps the brain's default mode network actively processing it unconsciously. And that's the same network that's responsible for insights in the shower or at night right before you go to sleep. Stopping mid-task keeps the work going with you. And Hemingway applied this to more than just writing. He left books unfinished mid-chapter. He even stopped physical work mid-task. Each open loop kept his mind engaged, just returning, processing without conscious effort. He was literally engineering the conditions that make motivation automatic. And I know completion feels satisfying, but satisfaction is the brain's signal to stop allocating resources. Hemingway knew that, and he refused to give his brain that signal. The practice is easy. Whatever you're working on, you're writing a project, you're doing a creative problem, just start stopping before the natural endpoint. Or even start off by writing one sentence, just enough to catch the momentum, then walk away and let the default mode network do its job. The research on incomplete tasks confirms that people interrupted mid-task have 2 times faster and twice as accurate recall of the task than those who stop at completion points. So I encourage you to start this practice, especially you creatives. Let me know how this practice affects your projects and affects your efficacy. As always, thank you for joining us here in beautiful Costa Rica for a Daily Awakening. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for meditations, plant medicine tips, and indigenous wisdom. And know that your watch time benefits nonprofits in the United States and in Costa Rica. So we thank you for your time. As always, blessings.